everyone! Welcome back to Awesomer Kids! Today I'm super excited to bring you a just like home cash register.
You guys are going to help me ring up some groceries today.
This register is awesome because it makes noises and it has a working calculator. I've done a lot of these just like home playsets in the past and it's always been a lot of fun. You can also try it out before opening it. Let's get started! Here's the register taken out of the box. It has a functioning calculator and it makes noises. You open the register just like this.
Ah, that noise was so satisfying.
It comes with $42, some 5-cent coins, 10 cents, and 25 cents. It also comes with a sweet credit card. I guess for today, we're Jeffrey Giraffe.
Thanks for letting me borrow your card, Jeffrey.
The card slides right here and it makes noise too. The scanner also has sound. And how cool is this working conveyor belt? Here's all of the groceries it comes with. First we have some milk, a can of soup, some canned tuna, and a lemon soda. It also comes with this cute grocery basket for you to carry everything in. Alright, let's ring everything up. First we have to put it on the conveyor belt. I have 1 can of tuna, and it's $1. Next is a can of soup, and this is $1.50. Let's move the items up. We have a carton of milk, this is $3.50. And our last item is a lemon soda. This can's only 50 cents.
It was on sale.
I actually have $7 in cash, but at this store, if you use your Just Like Home credit card, then you get points.
Awesome!
Now let's pack everything up so we can go home to cook dinner. Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!